Hello dear students, welcome back for this term 2. Today we are going to see the lesson 4 from computer science, slide organization. In the previous lesson we learned how to create a presentation. In this chapter we will learn how to organize a slide. That means editing a slide. It involves adding, deleting and rearranging the slide, changing background and layout, inserting a text box, and also content of the existing slide can be changed. Let us start the session. First and foremost, let us see what is slide layout. Slide layout refers to the way things are arranged on a slide. A layout contains placeholder which holds text, title, bulleted list and slide content such as tables, chart, pictures, shapes and clip arts. Whenever we insert a new slide, you can choose a layout that matches your requirement. The layout can be modified either in the normal view or in the slide sorter view. We can create many slides by choosing the layout based on our requirement. Now let us see how to rearrange slides in the outline tab. To change the order of the slides from one position to another in the outline tab, we need to follow these steps. Click on the normal button located on the view tab. If you need it, choose the outline tab to display the outline of the text in the slide. Select the slide icon of the slide you want to move. Drag the slide to a new location. By doing this, we can change the order of the slide. So far, we learned how to change the slide layout and arrange the slides in the outline tab. Now let us see editing a text box. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with the text while working in PowerPoint. The text you type in the placeholder such as title, subtitle can only be modified in normal view. Step 1. Click on the placeholder and type the necessary text. For example, computer science. If you want to make any changes, refer to step 2. Place the cursor where you want to make the changes. Step 3 shows you that we have entered a text. Likewise, we can make changes in the placeholder. In editing text object, there are two options. One is moving object and copying object. Now let us see about moving object. In a presentation, you can move the object from one place to another, either on the same slide or different slide. Follow the steps. Select the object, click on the cut button located on the Home tab or use Ctrl+X option. The object disappears from the slide and is placed on the clipboard. Place the cursor after the last point of the same slide. Click on the Paste button on the Home tab or use Ctrl+V option. The selected object will appear at the current cursor position. Now let us see how to copy an object. Before copying an object, we need to select the object. Once we selected the object, click on Copy button on the Home tab or use Ctrl+C key combination. The copy of the selected object is placed on the clipboard. Place the cursor after the last point. Click on the Paste button on the Home tab or press Ctrl+V combination. The duplicate copy of an object will appear in its new location. Guys, we learned how to copy and move an object. Now let us see about word art. Word art is a feature helps to create special text effect. Using word art, you can make the text curved, wave motion and we can apply shadows. You can also apply 3D effect to the text. To apply word art, click on Insert tab. Select Word Art button in the text group. The drop-down menu of Word Art Gallery opens up on the screen. Select any word style and type the text in the placeholder and select the text. Click on Fill Text drop-down arrow in the Word Style group of the Format tab. Select the desired color and observe the changes. For example, select Insert menu. From the Insert menu, select Word Out option. Select a layout and type the text. After typing the text, when you double click on the text, a toolbar appears on top of the text. Here you can make the necessary changes. Then press enter. Changes whatever we have done will be applied to the text. Hope you understood the session, boys. Take care. Thank you.